Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think that this is going up. I still actually think this is a 1-2, and we're in the middle of a wave 3. I think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to go up, probably a lot further than I was originally expected, especially if this really is a wave 3. Potentially, it could go up way past the 2250 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this wave 5 right here is a wave 5 of 1. I think this right here is likely to be a wave 2. I think we're already at a wave 3 and we're just at a correction to that wave 3, like a subdivision of the wave 3. And I do think that there's a very good likelihood that it will continue on these higher time frames like the weekly and monthly to go up. So going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame definitely very sideways and consolidated on the daily for quite some time now. I was actually originally thinking that this was going to be three waves down for a W, three waves up for an X, and then three waves down for a wave Y, which I still think is actually a very good possibility. I mean, I definitely would still primarily be looking for shorts right now, even though on the shorter time frames it does kind of lead you to believe that it is going to go up at least temporarily. But eventually, like I said, on the higher time frames, I think this is a wave 3. So I do think that eventually it is going to keep on going up. The question is whether it's really going to go down to make a wave Y, or whether it's possibly already ending a correction on the shorter time frames. It's just going to keep on trending up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I actually think this is impulsive up like a wave A or possibly a wave 1. I think this is an A, B, C right here, like either a wave B or possibly a wave 2. I think that gold is very likely to keep on going up, at least take out this high for a wave C, which would look like this. Or possibly it's going to be a wave 3, and if it is a wave 3, then it will just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here because I am definitely looking at this move up as possibly a correction to this move down. So if we get a Fibonacci bounce with a big engulfing bearish move, especially if it makes a break of structure to the downside, then I would definitely get out of my longs and most likely go short because that would pretty much prove that that wave Y is happening on the higher time frames. But this does have the look of an ABC correction like I was showing on the 4 hour, which is why I am very bullish and I would be long and I would be looking for longs, expecting that this could happen. But I always like to try to keep all possibilities in mind, and I am definitely looking at these fib levels just in case we do get a big bounce and a big bearish engulfing candle to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.